Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. If you are looking for a new niche with a highly profitable niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. So today we are discuss about hot selling evergreen niche. So our hot selling evergreen to find a hot selling evergreen niche, so we go to Amazon KDP marketplace, and our hot selling evergreen niche is home interior coloring book. Home interior coloring book. So interior design coloring book, there is a 1857 review, color at home 1195, and already one review, already 1195. So every product there is a sale, every product there is a sale. So every product we can see there is a already sale. So overall review uh, we say that there is a hot niche, there is a hot niche. So we definitely work this type of coloring book pages. So interior design coloring book, so already review is 1857. So there is a very big niche. So we also check this. There is a book cover, and you have to easily make this type of book cover, and there is a interior pages. You have to make these interior pages like drawing, or you can purchase this type of interior from KDP Fabrica, and you have to edit this and upload on Amazon KDP. So you have to make this type of coloring pages. Also Photoshop or Illustrator line drawing, you can easily make this product. So we also check copyright and trademark. No text records are found from this criteria. So there is a fully safe niche, and so personally I suggest you you definitely work this type of product and earn more revenue per month. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon, so when I can share with more niche, more ideas about Amazon KDP market, Amazon KDP self-publishing business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.